Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a repository to another user in Bitbucket. This is particularly useful when you need to hand off project ownership or move repositories between workspaces for better organization. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can access all your repositories and settings. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Repositories. This will give you access to all the repositories you currently have in your workspace. From here, click on View All Repositories to see the complete list of projects you're working with. Next, you'll need to select the specific repository you want to transfer. Browse through the list and click on the repository that you'd like to move to another user or workspace. This will open up the repository's main page where you can view its contents and settings. Once you're inside the repository, look again at the left sidebar. You'll find an option labeled Repository Settings. Click on it to access the configuration options for this particular repository. This is where you can manage various aspects of your repository, including permissions and transfer options. In the repository settings page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Manage Repository. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several administrative options. From this menu, select Transfer Repository. This is the key feature that allows you to move ownership of the repository to another user or workspace. A new interface will appear, prompting you to enter specific details about the transfer. In the field provided, type in the workspace ID or username of the target user or workspace where you want to send this repository. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as the repository will be transferred to whoever's ID you provide here. Finally, once you've entered the correct workspace ID or username, click the transfer button to complete the process. The repository will now be moved to the specified user or workspace, and they'll have full control over it moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your repository to another user in Bitbucket. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.